we got a new install today in White Lake, Michigan. This is Atlas Pinnacle. The color's granite going on this home. About 32 square, and we got around 100 sheets of OSB we're changing out. So it's a complete resheet, upgraded ventilation, baffles in the rafters, a couple new Velux skylights. Let's take a walk around and see what we got. You guys are just getting going. We got the equipter on this job. It's kind of messy. This should take us about a day. We should be done today. Maybe a little bit of touch up tomorrow. It should go pretty quick. And on our way to the next one. So we'll do an update later. And we'll do an after. When she's all done, we'll take some after photos and maybe an after video.